I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare pre-workout. First, always read the product label to understand the specific ingredients and recommended serving size. Most pre-workouts come in powder form, requiring you to mix them with water. Start with the suggested amount, usually 1 scoop, and assess your body's reaction. It's crucial to know your tolerance, especially for stimulants like caffeine, to avoid any discomfort or adverse effects. Proper preparation ensures you get the most out of your supplement safely. Once you've measured your pre-workout, mix it thoroughly with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water in a shaker bottle. Shake well until the powder is fully dissolved, ensuring no clumps remain. The ideal time to consume it is typically 20 to 30 minutes before your workout session. This allows enough time for the ingredients to be absorbed and take effect, giving you that energy boost when you need it most. Customizing your pre-workout is key. You might adjust the dosage based on your body weight and how sensitive you are to stimulants. Some people prefer half a scoop, while others might use a full one. To maintain effectiveness, consider cycling your pre-workout, taking breaks for a week or two every few months. Always listen to your body, and if you have any underlying health conditions, consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Remember, pre-workout is a supplement, not a substitute for proper nutrition and hydration. Ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and especially during your workout to stay hydrated. A balanced diet provides the foundational energy your body needs. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. These can help you maintain a consistent, healthy eating plan to complement your fitness routine and maximize your results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.